Superconductivity is one of nature's most intriguing quantum phenomena. It was discovered more than 100 years ago in mercury cooled to the temperature of liquid helium, about negative 452 degrees Fahrenheit, only a few degrees above absolute zero. Early on, scientists could explain what occurred in superconductivity, but the why and how of superconductivity were a mystery for nearly 50 years. In 1957, three physicists at the University of Illinois used quantum mechanics to explain the microscopic mechanisms of superconductivity. They proposed a radically new theory of how negatively charged electrons, which normally repel each other, form into pairs below critical temperature. These paired electrons are held together by atomic level vibrations known as phonons, and collectively the pairs can move through the materials without resistance. For their discovery, these scientists received the Nobel Peace Prize in Physics in 1972.